How to add credit card payment method in Shopify. So first go to Shopify and then click on settings here at the bottom left. Okay, once you're here, click on payments here. Okay, now click on choose a provider. And then just choose any of the providers available here, or you can just type in the name of the provider that you want to use. So make sure you have an account for each one here. For example, which one you're going to use. For example, you're going to use this one. Make sure you have an account for this account. So just click on that if you want to use that, and then click on install. Okay, now let's just wait. Now here, just click on install again. Okay, now here you just need to log into your account and then follow along the prompts that they're going to say to you. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.